You feel overwhelmed because you are using your to-do list as a graveyard for anxiety, not a tool for execution. You have 30 tasks, and you feel paralyzed. The problem isn't the number of tasks, it's the lack of filtering. Today, I'm giving you the 3-tier execution system, a simple method to stop feeling busy and start being ruthlessly effective. This system is the difference between working 12 hours and working 4 hours. Stick around, because the final tier is the secret to protecting your energy from meaningless tasks. Tier number 1, the filter, action versus maintenance. 130 Tier 1, the filter. The biggest mistake is mixing action and maintenance tasks. Maintenance is busy work, emails, filing, organizing, replying. It makes you feel productive, but creates zero growth. Action is the 20% of work that directly moves you toward your biggest goals. The rule: take your entire list and filter it into 2 columns. Do not look at the maintenance list until your action block is complete. Dedicate your best energy, first 2 hours of the day, exclusively to action. Stop being a good email replier, start being a powerful executor. Tier number 2, the Eisenhower Matrix, prioritization. 145 Tier 2, the Eisenhower Matrix. Now that you have your small action list, you need to prioritize. This matrix is simple. 1. Important and amp, urgent, do it now, crises, deadlines. Focus here only when necessary. 2. Important and amp, not urgent, schedule, planning, learning, big projects. This is where you build your future. Dedicate 60% of your time here. 3. Not important and amp, urgent, delegate/automate, interruptions, unnecessary meetings. Delegate or find a system to automate. 4. Not important and amp, not urgent, delete, time wasters, endless scrolling. Ruthlessly eliminate these tasks. The key to discipline is spending most of your time in Tier 2, important, not urgent. This is where success is built. Tier number 3, the time boxing defense. 130 Tier 3, the time boxing defense. You must protect the time you scheduled. Time boxing is not just saying what you will do, it's deciding when you will do it and how long it will take. Instead of writing finish report, write report, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. When 10:30 a.m. hits, you stop. Why? It prevents the perfectionist trap and protects your schedule from becoming a single, endless task. The defense: if an unexpected task appears, do not stop what you are doing. Slot the new task into a specific future time box. You never interrupt your execution phase. This defense makes you a master of your time. 45. Strong CTA. Stop letting your to-do list control you. Take back the power by applying the 3-tier execution system today. Filter out the noise, prioritize the important, and defend your scheduled time. If you want more systems like this, smash that like button and subscribe to the Discipline Code. Let me know in the comments, what is the first delete task you are getting rid of? Thank you for watching.